The owners of this house are putting the final touches on this spacious master bedroom. It's time to start thinking about carpet, so they've called in the home team to help make some key decisions.
So, Loretta, clearly I'm in the right place for carpet because I need carpet. So what are some of the key considerations that we need to take into account before we come into the store?
One of the big key considerations is actually around lifestyle and the functionality inside your home. How many people live in the dwelling? Are you a household with children and pets? All of those sorts of things will definitely be an influencing factor in what type of carpet you'll choose.
So it's probably a really good idea for us to get our inspiration before we come in, you know, just as far as the style, the colours.
Most definitely. All those sorts of things are really helpful in the decision-making process. On the Flooring Extra website, under our advice section, there's a list of sort of frequently asked questions, so they're going to be the common questions that you'll be asked when you come in, just so that they get an idea and they can point you in the right direction.
That is a great idea. So I've got a pretty good idea of, you know, the colour tone and the style that we're after. It's for a bedroom. Also a stairwell and a landing leading into that bedroom as well, so it's nice and cohesive. And we want it to be really nice and soft and sumptuous underfoot. And the colour tone I kind of understand too, so I can't wait to have a look and see what you've got for us.
Oh, we've definitely got some options that we can show you there, so let's go have a look.
Yeah, let's. Oh, I like all this.
Yes, OK. So what we've got here is basically when we're talking about 100% wool. Wool is a beautiful product. It's got lots of, you know, wonderful inherent qualities. It can create a beautiful, warm environment. This particular range here has obviously got a lot of chunky texture. What else we have as an option is then going into your synthetic fibres. What we've got here is a solution-dyed nylon. As you can see, it's got a very nice, very soft feel.
Beautiful.
Yep, fine gauge construction, and solution-dyed nylon is very strong. So it will work perfectly on your stairs and landing, and also going into walkways in and out of a bedroom.
So solution dyed, so what does that actually mean? Because it looks like it's quite textured to me.
So solution dyed is essentially where the colour goes right throughout the fibre. So,
oh, right.
Yes.
Not just on the outside.
Not just
right
on the outside,
through.
right through. So in a room that sort of is exposed to a lot of natural light, it will hold its colour for a long period of time.
I'm so glad you mentioned that, because what I did want to say to you is the room that I'm looking at, this bedroom, has big windows and a lot of natural light. So what are the options as far as colours are concerned?
Generally speaking, if a space is quite small, you want to try and keep it light. If you have a larger space, you can probably be a little bit more adventurous. So as part of the service that we offer, we would always encourage you to take samples home.
Great.
Put them in various areas of your house. You can look at them in the morning light, at lunchtime, at night. They're all going to look quite different. Light plays a huge factor ultimately in what your carpet looks when it goes down on the floor.
Of course, it would, it would. All right, well, I'm already erring towards this side of the shading.
OK.
Yeah, I really like this one. Mainly because there's a lot of charcoal in it and it feels really snuggly.
With this particular carpet here, it actually has got two different colours in the individual fibre. So depending what your window furnishings and your other furnishings are like, you can basically pick up the brown or the grey that comes through that as well. So.
Wow, that is some seriously intricate detail. And the brown or the grey in that tiny pile. But I can see how that would work, you know, in different lights. All right, let's take that one too.
Beautiful.
Thank you
There
so
you go.
much.
That's all right. Take care.
Oh, thanks for your help. See ya.